BTAI, BioXcel Therapeutics Incorporated. Technical analysis. General overview and trend. BTAI has experienced extreme volatility over the past 3 months, characterized by explosive growth in the final weeks. The stock began the period at $1.37 in mid-May and surged dramatically to $6.40 by August 11, representing a remarkable 367% increase. The price action shows a clear breakout pattern with parabolic characteristics, particularly from late July through August. The overall trend shifted from consolidation in May-June to a powerful uptrend in July-August, with the stock gaining over 300% during this period. The recent price action suggests a momentum-driven rally with exceptional strength, though the extreme rise raises concerns about sustainability. Price and volume. Volume analysis reveals extraordinary activity, especially in the final 2 weeks. August 1st saw an unprecedented 109.5 million shares traded as the stock spiked to $1.37, followed by 42.2 million shares on August 11th during the run to $6.40. These volume levels dwarf the typical daily activity of 100,000 to 500,000 shares seen in May-June. The correlation between price surges and massive volume spikes indicates strong institutional accumulation and retail frenzy. The Chaikin oscillator at -2.1 million suggests some distribution despite the price rise, possibly indicating profit-taking after the explosive gains. Moving averages. The current closing price of $6.40 is significantly above all key moving averages, reflecting strong upward momentum. Short-term averages are below the price, SMA 5 at $4.028, EMA 5 at $4.3001, SMA 10 at $2.838, and EMA 10 at $3.3996. Medium-term averages are also below, SMA 20 at $2.3412, EMA 20 at $2.727, SMA 21 at $2.326, and EMA 21 at $2.6895. Long-term averages are substantially lower, SMA 50 at $2.0018, EMA 50 at $2.2266, SMA 100 at $1.8742, EMA 100 at $2.5503, SMA 150 at $2.5663, EMA 150 at $3.3999, SMA 200 at $3.966, and EMA 200 at $4.0709. The price trading well above all moving averages confirms the strength of the uptrend, with the steep slope of shorter-term averages indicating accelerating momentum. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators, MACD at 0.6577 with a positive histogram of 0.4123 confirms strong upward momentum. RSI 14 at 90.67 indicates extremely overbought conditions. Williams R at -5.38 shows very strong momentum. Stochastic oscillators, K15 at 82.98, D15 at 63.10, K5 at 85.23, D5 at 81.83, suggest overbought conditions. CCI 20 at 291.11 indicates extremely strong momentum. Momentum 10 at 4.70 and ROC 14 at 254.57 both signal powerful positive momentum. Trend indicators. ADX 14 at 38.34 shows strong trend strength. Arun up at 100.0 and Arun down at 72.0 confirm bullish dominance, with Arun oscillator at 50.0. Parabolic SAR at 2.111 is below the current price, supporting the uptrend. DEMA 14 at 3.9443 and TEMA 10 at 5.1317 both support the bullish trend. Volatility indicators. Bollinger Bands show extreme expansion with upper at 4.7005, middle at 2.3412, and lower at -0.018. The price trading well above the upper band indicates overbought conditions but also strong momentum. ATR 14 at 0.6315 reflects high volatility, while NATR 14 at 9.87 shows normalized volatility. Volume indicators. MFI 14 at 99.68 indicates extreme buying pressure and overbought conditions. OBV at 633.6 million shows strong accumulation. Stock RSI K5 at 100.0 suggests extremely overbought conditions. Linear regression. The 20-day linear regression shows a steep positive slope, confirming the powerful uptrend. Price action is significantly above the regression line, indicating the strength of the momentum and potential for continuation. The most recent close is well above the regression line, suggesting the rally may have further to run before a significant correction. Opening estimate for next trading day. Given the extreme momentum and overbought conditions, BTAI is expected to open between $6 and $6.50. The massive volume on the last day and the overbought readings suggest potential for a gap down, but the strong trend could also lead to a continuation gap up. The parabolic SAR below the price supports the bullish case. Support and resistance analysis. Key resistance levels are $7, psychological, $8, extension of recent move, and $10, major psychological. Support levels are $6, recent consolidation, $5, psychological, and $4, previous resistance. At current price of $6.40, distance to first resistance is 60 cents and to first support is 40 cents. Given the extreme overbought conditions, intraday movement may see an initial test of $6 support, followed by a bounce attempt towards $7 resistance. Intraday high and low estimates based on ATR 14. With ATR 14 at 0.6315, the estimated intraday range is high at $7.0315 and low at $5.7685. Given the recent volatility, this range may be conservative, and actual movement could exceed these estimates, especially to the upside if momentum continues. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario. Continuation of the uptrend with a break above $7, targeting $8 and potentially $10. This would require sustained volume and momentum despite overbought conditions. Bearish scenario. Sharp correction towards support levels at $6, $5, and potentially $4. The extreme overbought indicators increase the probability of this scenario. A break below $6 could accelerate selling. Neutral scenario. Consolidation between $6 and $7 as the market digests the recent gains. This would allow indicators to reset before the next directional move. Conclusion. BTAI is in an extremely strong technical uptrend with exceptional momentum, but extremely overbought conditions suggest a high risk of correction in the short term. The massive volume spikes indicate strong institutional interest but also potential exhaustion. The stock is significantly above all moving averages, which supports the bullish trend but also increases vulnerability to profit-taking. Investors should monitor the $6 support level closely, as a break below could signal a deeper correction. While the long-term trend remains bullish, the immediate risk-reward favors caution, with potential opportunities on pullbacks to key support levels. The extraordinary volatility suggests this stock is best suited for experienced traders with high risk tolerance.